you imagine that there is a card here, and what you're trying to do is hit the card every time your poi goes, and notice I'm going anterior, posterior, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, and I'm crossing the midline every time. I'm also doing this if I were to look at this as a side plane move, I look to my side, I put my hand here, this would be underhand, and then I rotate my body. So it's really a front to back movement because I repositioned my body. Okay, that might help you feel more comfortable with bring it back behind, extension, back to front, back to front, back. See if that helps, and then you can eliminate the extra circles. If we were gonna do the similar exercise to familiarize your right hand, because we're going in clockwise, your right hand would be like looking to the right and going overhand. Front to back, front to back, front to back, front to back, front to back. And then it should have the same sort of benefit. But I don't think the right one is as awkward, personally, because you're coming down as you're switching to the front. And then you're just doing like your normal pinwheel extension. Plus it's your right hand.